हेलो गाइस, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे इस नए वीडियो में। नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस चैप्टर टाइटल यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन। व्हाट इज यूनिट? व्हाट इज यूनिट? First we understand what is physics. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of nature and properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics include heat, light, sound, electricity and magnetism, and the structure of atom. Applied physics is the application of the physics to help human beings and solving their problem. It is usually considered as a bridge or a connection between physics and engineering. Now we understand this chapter what is physical quantities. All quantities in the term of which law of physics can be expressed as which can be measured or called physical quantities. For example, distance, speed, mass, force, etc. आप समझते हैं फंडामेंटल एंड ड्राइव्ड यूनिट्स. व्हाट इज मेजरमेंट? Measurement in our daily life, we need to express and compare the magnitude of different quantities. Can be done only by measuring them. Measurement is the comparison of unknown physical quantity with a non-physical quantity. What is unit? Unit, the non-fixed physical quantity is called unit. अब समझते हैं यूनिट दूसरी भाषा में. The quantity used as standard for measurement is called unit. For example, when we say that the length of classroom is 8 meter, we compare the length of classroom with standard quantity of length called meter. Length of classroom is equal to 8 meter, so Q is equal to NU. There, physical quantity is equal to numerical value into unit. Q physical quantity and numerical value and U standard unit. For example, mass of stool 15 kg. तो मास क्या हुआ? फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, और 15 न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है और केजी स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. इसको हिंदी में समझते हैं. मास ऑफ स्टूल का जो द्रव्यमान है वो 15 किलोग्राम है. तो उसमें जो मास या द्रव्यमान है वह एक भौतिक राशि है और 15 यह एक हमारा परिमाण है और केजी इकाई है. मीन्स इसका मतलब है कि मास ऑफ स्टूल इज 15 टाइम्स ऑफ नॉन क्वांटिटी. जिस हम राशि को जानते हैं उसको 15 गुना किया जाए तो हमारा स्टूल का मास निकल आएगा. तो आप समझते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट. ए यूनिट सेलेक्ट फॉर मेजरिंग ए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी शुड हैव the following properties. First, it should be well defined, that its concept should be clear. It should not change with change in physical conditions like temperature, pressure, etc. Third number, it should be suitable in size, neither too large nor too small. It should not change with place or time. It should be producible. It should be international. accepted. What is the classification of unit? Unit can be classified into two categories: fundamental or derived. Fundamental quantity, the quantity which is independent of other physical quantities. In mechanics, mass, length, and time are called fundamental quantities. Units of these fundamental physical quantities are called fundamental units. For example, fundamental physical quantities जैसे mass, length, टाइम. मास को की यूनिट किलोग्राम, ग्राम, पाउंड, और लेंथ मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, फुट, टाइम, सेकेंड. derived quantity, the quantity which derived from the fundamental quantities. Example, area is a derived quantity. Area, length into breadth. length square. Speed is equal to distance upon time, या फिर length upon time. The unit for derived quantity are called derived unit. System of units: CGS, FPS, MKS, SI. For measurement of physical quantities, the following systems are commonly used. First one is CGS system. In this system, the unit of length is centimeter, the unit of mass gram, the unit of time is second. Second, FPS system. In this system, the unit of length is foot, the unit of mass is pound, the unit of time is second. MKS. In this system, the unit of length is meter, unit of mass is kg, the unit of time is second. SI unit. This system is improved and extended version of MKS system of unit. It is called International System of Unit.